the aim for this morning. We're going to rip tow balls off the Jeep straight into the Killer Triton, which is no longer. It's kind of not going anymore. We don't know why. We've been push starting it yesterday. It just won't go. About ready for the next destructive round. Amalia's setting up the final GoPro in the Jeep. Here we have our mannequins. We've protected another GoPro down here. We're trying to capture all the destruction on this vehicle. There is a real possibility that these factory recovery points are going to snap off and come back at the Jeep. Hence the reason why we're putting the cameras in the Jeep, and we have the barrier in there with all the sandbags to keep me safe. We've got the last remaining children, the lady on the phone, 3 hugs and 3 sticks. Around here we got Mr. Mode. Pedro's in the back seat. We have the lady driver. Now Pedro's got a chain around his neck. That's to hold the GoPro in. We are weird because we're doing this, but we're not that weird. Right behind you on the driver's side mirror there is a camera facing in, so we should capture all the stuff happening in here. Mo's got his foot out the window, don't know why. And standing in the back of the tray, which we do see sometimes, people recovering and driving, people stand on the back of the tray. And we saw yesterday 2 people get wiped out in the back of the tray by the tow ball and the strap. It just snapped them in half. Now obviously this isn't a real representation of a human being because they're hollow inside and they're plastic, but you would definitely get knocked off the back and there'll be some severe damage. I'd say highly likely possible fatal internal bleeding injuries. You don't want to get hit by anything. So let's get destructive again. Day 2, take 1.
Day 2, take 1.
All clear, Ronny. Some leg came.
Tow ball number 8 snapped off and it took flight, but where did it actually hit?
Must have gone right over the top with the... Oh no, it's gone through the radiator.
Quick, film that. Yes!
Oh,
Wait, I think it's the chick in the front that's got smashed as well.
Tow ball lesson number 8. If it doesn't kill you, it might kill your car. Side note, don't recover with your limbs outside the windows.
Wow. Oh, there it is. Holy. Wow.
bits are missing. There we go. Wow, that pushed it in pretty far. Let's pop this bonnet. Look at that, it's pushed it right in. It's into the fan. Is the fan moving?
Yeah, fan's still
moving.
Oh, sheesh.
Wow.
That's crazy.
That's some damage. Alright, we've still got a few more. Let's do it.
I'd love to claim that I am super accurate with shooting tow balls, but this is pure luck.
strap though. Has that gone in again?
I think it has.
I think it's gone in again. Literally. About 100 mil above the last one.
I've pretty much hit the exact same spot again, and we've destroyed the latch. I can't actually open the. I can't open it now. That was a half cut one, that one. So by now we're running out of tow balls, and we wanted to get a bit more entertainment out of that trident, because that trident is dead. Dead in the water or dead on the land. So we tried the bull bar. And a lot of people actually try snatching off a bull bar, winching off a bull bar, and you've probably seen videos of that happening. But we're going to put a mannequin right in front of this bull bar so you can see what actually really happens. Well, I reckon it's going to hit the same point again. How many tow balls you got left?
That one and the bent one.
Okay. The bent one needs to be cut again. I'm not yanking on that again.
I reckon it'll go.
Even
It's
if
because
you
you had
turn
it
it.
on the wrong angle, I think.
Yeah, I had enough whiplash yesterday.
Yeah?
My head still hurts a little bit.
Fair enough.
This.
Um,
Did I say this the last one?
I don't want to headbutt the steering wheel again.
This one's nearly half
I
cut.
reckon we still do dodgy on the
Dodgy
back.
toe ball.
Dodgy
That's
tow
our
ball.
last one.
And then we'll put a chain around the bull bar here, and we'll see what goes first.
Yep.
Chain around the top of the bull bar onto a dodgy tow ball. We'll see what goes first, and hopefully we can set it into the window. We should simulate a real situation that some people do. They use a bull bar. So why don't we tie the strap around here and here, loop them around.
Okay.
Let's do that, because I think that makes more sense.
I think you'll just get the bar off. It's going to come off.
The hoop's going to come off.
You might just get the hoops.
We made a decision here. We have strapped it around here using a gator jaw. What's probably going to happen is it's going to go up to where it's narrowest, and it's going to pull that down, but I'm tipping the tow ball will go first because we've weakened it. The idea of this is to simulate the tow ball going through the window, because now we're higher, but it's also to also demonstrate that don't use your bull bar to recover off. And we're going to do a lot more about bull bars, recovering off bull bars in a later video, but this one here, we're just a bit of an experiment. Having a bit of fun now. Alright, let's do it. We'll see if Free Hug survives.
There are 3 lessons here we just learnt. Do not use a tow ball to recover from, do not use a bull bar to recover from, and do not stand within the death zone.
That was insane. That just popped.
I wasn't sure what went there. I was not sure what went at all. There was too much dust behind me. I was trying to look in the mirror. It wasn't until I did the loop that I saw the bull bar behind me. Okay.
Your new horn?
That's a custom horn.
Yeah, just plug it in.
Wow, that's got maximum airflow now. Here's the bull bar. It ripped the steel apart. So the bolts actually held. I thought the bolts would go.
I thought the aluminium was going to
Yeah, the bolt's still on.
So this is the steel bracket, right? This is aluminium. This is steel. Or is this aluminium as well?
go. Yeah, it's steel.
Yeah, it is steel.
Yeah, steel. That's crazy.
Wow. Okay. Mild steel.
Slow-mo footage. That is so awesome.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It like it in the
And oh,
That's awesome.
Oh, her head hit the car.
Oh,
Chopped in half.
Wow.
Completely.
Yeah.
So if that was a real person, probably would have snapped their legs
Blood
and then
everywhere.
dragged them.
Oh, I don't want to think about
You would
it.
have dragged them?
Oh, just
That's
Yeah,
nuts.
they would have dragged with
Let's do
them.
that again.
You want our arms in or out?
I'll go in. Oh yeah, out. It'll probably hold her better.
So we've just put 3 hugs here just to make sure she's right in the firing line there, protecting our radiator for so we can get home. Taking one for the team.
We've also put the bull bar here because the problem we're trying to get this tow ball into the windscreen. The reason why it's not going in is because these points, that's as high as I can physically go. So now the idea is this will keep the strap higher, thus making it more likely for the ball to go higher into the window.
more water out.
Yeah, there, I think.
That's a radiator.
Alright.
Is that it there or there?
Radiator.
Let's do the A-pillar. Alright, so we're going to have a look at the footage. 3 hugs, got hit again. Do you reckon in the face?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
In the face?
Total of the
Definitely
head.
the face.
Are you ready? I got it right on there. Alright, here we go.
Straight through the head.
Went through both of them.
Wow.
I think it was a neck. And
That lady,
arm.
there,
Was it
yeah,
arm?
she got taken out as well.
Yeah.
Yeah,
both
the
of them
strap.
did.
Strap took the other chick out, but the bowl took the.
You know, people do stand that close to some recoveries, you know?
Like slap, like just snap.
Alright, no more stuff around. We want to spin and go for the glass. We're using the A-pillar now. You would never use an A-pillar, but that's what we're using, just to demonstrate what it looks like when it goes through the window. We all want to see what happens, don't we? This is addictive.
Absolutely.
Do you reckon that will actually break though? Like, any of that will break?
It'll bend.
I reckon it'll crush the window.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll definitely crack
Might
something.
even
What's that?
That's not even a granny knot. That's
What?
What the? That's happening midair.
yeah. That's happening midair.
That'd be good to see if you catch it.
That's amazing.
Unreal.
I've got to say, this is an amazing strap. This is an opposite lock strap. I've had this for years. Never used it because it's a 12 ton. It's like over the top. And how many have you done with this?
15.
15, 20, really good, like strong
Full on.
pulls.
Yeah.
Mm,
More than you'd normally give, and
I'm impressed. That should not last. The strap should not last this long.
that's the worst that's happened to it.
I will say one thing though. For a proper recovery that you want to do in a safe manner, I'm not going to use the strap anymore because it's been abused. However, we'll keep using it out here for all the other things we're going to do. We'll see how long it lasts.
It's a great
I am impressed.
Awesome.
I want one of these. That's good.
And that, folks, is a total fail. The sharp edges cut the
Yes.
strap.
What happened?
Snapped off the other side of
Yeah.
the soft shackle.
The A-pillar, the strap itself went.
Oh, the strap's still behind me.
Part of
Where
it.
it's gone.
Oh, okay, but the tow ball's still there.
Yep.
Oh, cool. So we've still got one more.
Car's full of glass though.
Wow.
Yeah, it's just come off of there.
Just pop the glass.
Oh yeah, you can see where it would have
Yeah.
broken.
Okay, that was a failure.
Chain?
Yeah, chain.
Chain.
Last toe ball.
Get it done.
It
Get
should go this time.
It's got to.
Is this the third time on this one?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. But the strap has been cut twice.
Yeah. You've lost the strap twice now.
Alright.
Within a blink of an eye, so much happened. But where did the tow ball go? And where did the strap go?
What happened?
We've squashed the car. Oh my god. Strap's in the tree.
Oh, what the hell? I was
Yeah.
like, where's the strap?
Look, it's behind the car. It's all in the tray. Come look.
That is crazy.
I might wear my helmet while I pull this down. The final tow ball nearly made it inside the window. It's hit right here. Right there. And you'll see in the footage now like how fast they come in and then it just bounced straight up. And we haven't found it yet. They even cracked the plastic here. Just annihilated everything here. So don't use snatch straps on tow balls or anything on tow balls unless you want to add yourself to this list. 2018, 2017, 2015, 2011, 2009, 2005, and they're just the ones that I could find. And these are only the ones that are in Australia. So don't add yourself to this list. Don't add one of your mates or your family members to this list. Just do it the proper way. Please show this to a mate who uses their tow ball. And also show it to someone who's never been off-road before. It's good to know. It's really good to know. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it sends a good message to people that, look, a tow ball may not come off right now, but it will eventually come off. Most of the tow balls we used today were brand new and had about 1/3 to a half cut in. No less than that, because if it was any less than that, they didn't do much. And they still come off with a big bang. So when they come off and they're like a full tow ball, the destruction is twice as big, as you saw with the first one when that actually came off. That was gnarly. So don't use tow balls, recover it in the correct way. And there is a link over here to how you are supposed to recover using a snatch strap. Request anything else if you like. We have a lot of space here we can do random stuff on. Not random stuff, but stuff that hopefully sends the right message out. So we have a few plans of a few other things, and those will be revealed as we go. So subscribe, patreon.com/Ronny Dahl over there, and check out that video about the snatch straps. Cheers guys, see you next time. Do you want me to move it now? Or?
I think
I could...